We have another lot of models for parts, and I'm very interested on this remote control. And for that remote control, here is a flip face Thomas. What's going on with this Thomas? The battery terminals are clean. Seller's description not working. I can see power going to the engine. Remote control, battery terminals are clean. I can see the switch is off. Maybe the seller missed that part. We have power to the engine, the remote works, so that means we need to spin the motor to make it run. Okay, now we gotta do is spin this motor, give it a little spin. Actually, that cog is cracked. Now, moment of truth, there, it's working. That's what it needed. Yeah, it takes a lot of work, but it's okay. Alright, let's put this back together. How about that? Very nice. That driving axle is no longer working. Problem fixed. Good progress. Excellent. Okay. Okay, let's continue. We have a James Material 2009, and let me tell you what. I have this that is broken, and this doesn't work, so I'm gonna swap the parts from this to this. Also, this thing is broken. See, can be fixed, so I'm gonna use this one. And actually, this one is working. There's nothing wrong with this model. What's going on? Anyways. Excellent. Okay, who is ready for snow clearing, James? This thing is making noise. Alright, here's what happened. I added some lube to the rods. Now they are quiet. Okay. Cool. Now we have the Red Bulgy. This one is 1995 Tomy. I think someone tried to fix it. He missing one screw and couldn't assemble the right way. Yes. and he or she missed to put the other screw in here. Yeah, with all the motorized vehicles or road vehicles, this is the code that I can never find, and this is gonna be loud because I don't have the replacement, and it's cracked right there. How about now? Yep. Okay. Now, moment of truth. Pretty fast, bulgy. Good. Okay, what else comes in this package? And I think this is Ferdinand's caboose or back car, a troublesome truck. Good battery terminals. That's great. We have rubber rings. Yeah, this is actually cool. What else? All right, we have a Thomas 2009 Thomas. There is a lot of dust, dirt. Yeah, but battery terminals are okay. Look at that. Anyways, I am pretty sure I'm gonna make it work. Oh, look at that. This is how they look inside. Wow, wow, wow. We're gonna make sure it works. Yep. Excellent. Okay, ready to assemble. All right, motor is working. Looking good. Thomas has been fixed. Now the problem is the roof, but I think I have a good idea. We can turn this into a custom model instead of just Thomas. Yeah, we need to fix that problem. Now the turn for Freddie. Is it Fearless Freddie? Yes, Fearless Freddie. And this model, okay, it's okay. Needs cleaning. At least the motor and everything is working. Yeah, works great. Okay, I'm gonna clean this battery terminal. And it's missing one screw right here underneath. I think the best we can do is nickel plate that battery terminal. Can you see that big gap right here? Yeah, it's broken. Okay, nickel plate. Excellent. We're just gonna give a couple minutes and we are good to go. Look at that. We are done with the nickel plating. New cog. Okay, Freddie has been fixed. Excellent. Ready. All right, we continue tomorrow with the next engines. I think that's it for today.